Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try out, well actually just unbox these bad babies. The Arteza 32 pouring acrylic color premier bottle thingies and the Pouring Masters 8 color pouring paint set, 8 ounces each. If you want to know what's in here, stay tuned. We're going to unbox these ones. As you can see, this one is already open because my first unboxing video was great, but it was all blurry, wasn't sharp enough. My annoying camera didn't work properly, so you have to do it again. But hey, second time is a charm, right? Okay, let's do this. On the right, on your left, you got the Arteza 32 pouring acrylic colors premium, and on the left, your right, is the Pouring Masters ready to pour 8 color acrylic pouring paint set. Okay, so let's start with this one because they've got way more colors. And because this was already opened, it's not in order anymore, but what they did is you have neon colors and you got your regular colors. So there's the neon colors, so it's the orange, green, what's this one? Neon blue, brilliant red goes with that. This is vermilion red. So these two reds look almost identical. I have to try them and see how they are when I paint with them. Neon pink, neon's over here, and these ones are silver gray. So these are more the pastel colors. You'll find the other neon one. These are the regular ones. That's a yellow. You got a gold, you got 4 white because there's a lot of white we use, especially when you do a Dutch pour. Unfortunately, this is not going to be enough, but it's just a sample. Then we got silver. There's another pastel. This is the carnation red, pink. This is a sea green, so that's another pastel, and this one is a bronze. So the metallics over here. Another pastel rose pink. These are different tones of pink. Metallic red. It says wine, but whatever. Ultramarine blue. That's more the regular color. Forest green. It's kind of a teal, a regular color. Black, neutral. There's our lemon yellow. That's kind of a normal color. This one is a neon yellow. There's a pastel yellow, goes with the pastels. Coral, there's a lot of pinks in the pastels. Another white one. Black. Mars black. Well, this one wasn't black apparently. Oh, we got 2 Mars blacks, sorry. I thought there was only one. Huh. Okay. Phthalo blue, which is sort of the regular colors. Another pastel, lavender. We're almost done. This one is phthalo green, dark green, and neon purple. So these are the neons, these are the regular colors here. That's more like go there, and these ones, I think, no, there's no real pastel yellow. Well, this one is, I guess, yeah. Okay, these are the pastels, these are the regular, this is white and black, and the neon. So that's what it was in here. There wasn't any, I'm just going to shove them back in here. There wasn't any brochure or whatever in here to use it, but I guess if you go onto their website to figure out how to use them there. I will organize this later. So there's 20, 32 minus was 28 minus 2 is 26 actual colors, and the other ones are white and black. I'm really excited to use them, or was excited to use them because I have used them. I'll show you in a minute. Now to these ones, I don't have to open the box, so I decided to open it on the top. So first of all, we have a brochure, paint guide with all the different painting techniques you can do, which is awesome. I have to go through that and check it out. Then you get a color wheel, which is very handy too. You can find your color combinations. Well, these ones I use too, so that's why they're dirty. But this one is a citrus orange. This one is a lemon yellow. This one is a grass green, followed by titanium white, grape jelly, jet black, midnight blue, which is not actually that dark, red hot, and then of course the pouring medium and the silicone. And that's it. So these ones are just a little bit of everything, except it's just the medium color range, not the dark colors. This is the pouring medium. I said you can see it's still in plastic. I didn't use that. I just wanted to use both of them without any pouring medium, whatever they already put in there. This one probably would make it more shiny because it's gloss. And these are by usartsupply.com, so that's where you find these ones. I bought these on Amazon, both of them, because it's hard to find them in my country, Canada, Western Canada. It's hard to find. Like, never mind. I live in a little town, so I have to get everything online. And I'm going to put an affiliate link down below, so if you guys are interested in trying these out, please do so. It's no extra cost to you guys. It's just for me to make a couple of percentage of your sale. So I'm going to show you. This is one pour I did with the these ones with the, what are they called again? Pouring Masters. So as you can see, the green took over, but I just didn't put enough bronze. I used this bronze because this one didn't come with one. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to draw some really fine gold lines and lighten it up a little bit. I think it looked really cool when I did it. It's just kind of dark, but it came out pretty good. This is on wood, dirty back, but whatever. It's a painting. And this is the other one. This one is really cool. This is with these colors, and I'm going to show you which colors I used. I used none of the neons. No, maybe yeah, I think I used a little bit of orange, but I don't remember. I also used a little bit of white, not much. I used green. Where did green go? I think I used, no, not that one. I used this green and the lighter green. If I can find it, I definitely used this yellow, which is pretty prominent in here. Should have left it out before, shouldn't I? Use this blue. This is that kind of brighter blue in here. But again, the yellow took over. But yeah, you know, if you're gonna watch the next video, you can see how I did it. I just put too much yellow because it was my first ring pour. I still think it looks like a one-eyed monster. You can see here is the eye and there's the mouth. I don't know, what do you think? But that's what I think it looks like. Anyway, I think, did I use some red too? I thought I used some orange. It must have been in those two together. Anywho, this is the colors I used. These ones are the colors, the the green, which came out really dark, so don't go by that. Apparently it is more of a grass green than a lighter green. I used that, used the yellow and blue. This blue was kind of neat. And red, or this red, that one, I think the orange. This is actually the colors I used, and I used a little bit of white in there. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mini unboxing video. And these colors are lots of fun to use, which you can see in my next videos. So make sure you click on those and subscribe, like, and share so you're not missing on any videos.